Hi everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, the 3rd of October. Looking at euro-dollar, and we've seen this euro-dollar chart which continues to sort of maintain this top pattern. The pullback to the neckline failed, and big decisive bear candle yesterday sort of regenerates a little bit of downside move that had been sort of tested, I suppose you could argue, with these couple of rebound candles that we saw at the back end of last week. Now we saw initial downside move below that support of 1720. Saw that initial move to the downside 1695 today. Rebounded, but I'm not expecting this to be a rebound that lasts especially long. You look at the momentum indicators on the hourly, negative configuration across the board. MACD lines close to falling below neutral. Stochastics negative, RSI around the 40 level, but still at levels, well, now with a little bit of a rebound at levels not seen since April, although earlier today when it was down at around the 17 big figure area, the market was, the RSI was back at levels not seen since February. So there is still a negative momentum aspect to this chart, certainly, and this little bit of a rebound, I don't think that's going to last too long. I think that the overhead supply of all this chart on the hourly is going to sort of kick in at some stage. You've got the sort of 1770 pivot that's pretty much paid to yesterday's intraday rally, 1763, before falling over. That is still in play. Obviously 1820, 1830, 1813 being Friday's high, but 1820 being that neckline of the top pattern. This is sort of an overhead supply which I think is going to put pay to any rally. So you've got the RSI which is unwinding. Maybe you'll get to maybe 60, but I wouldn't expect too much further of upside in this chart before the selling pressure kicks back in again to probably retest that low, 1695. But also, I'm still expecting a test of 1660 at some stage. Yeah, that's my expectation. So rallies are still a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.